Welcome to TTInit Target Collabs automation demo. Today I will teach you how to set up Target Collab. We are doing automatic invite using Target Collabs. Second, I will show you how to create a dataset using TTInit app. Configuration, the target invite setting that you can see on your screen right now. And then running the Target Collabs on the dataset that you created. First, make sure that TTInit profiles on which you want to run is saved. Our first step is to create a dataset for running the Target Collab using TTInit database. Name your dataset and select the desired filters. When you set your desired filters, you will get the number of creators in our database. You can select product code or product growth, followers, commission rate, anything that you want to filter out the creators. I'm right now sending 1 to 10K GMV, and right now I got 6.9K creators. I will create the dataset. I will create the dataset by clicking on create dataset. Now your dataset is created and saved. Next, go to Target Collabs tab and click on the icon to editing setting on the profile that you want to run the Target Collab. Add all the fields that are necessary for the campaigns. If you feel that may be confusing, or batch number, this is how many invites you want to send to single run. One batch can save up to 50 users. In total, TikTok allows 1K batches for single app. User in per invites. Second is user. You can select up to 50 users in single batch. Third confusing terms can be date. This is the expiration date of the invite that we are going to send. Fourth thing is skip duplicates. You can see at the end there is a skip duplicate. This ensures we do not send the same user to multiple invites. Because in every run we will send multiple batches, multiple invites, so making sure that we do not send the same users. After configuration everything, we will select the dataset. We will select the dataset that we created and update the profile. Your profile is now updated. Run the bot by clicking on the play button. Wait for the profile to get loaded. The bot will go straight into Target Collab invite tab on TikTok and start after loading. And start adding the product card that you select in the setting. After that, the bot will start adding the user invites one by one. Making sure it does not violate TikTok rules, mimicking 100% human behavior, just like your VA is doing it. Since we selected 5 users per invite in our setting in the previous step, it will add only 5 users and then move on to the next step. After that, it will completely complete the invitation by adding the remaining fields and will send the invites. This was just a dummy invite. I do not want to send it, so let's cancel this for now. If you need any help or support, please visit ttinit.com. You can get us to Discord as well as WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the tutorial. We are making sure that your brand gets the heights of TikTok show.